These potatoes love to grow, I guess.
Iha, what are you doing today?
Picking potatoes.
Picking potatoes?
Oh my god! Potatoes!
Yeah.
Oh, first one.
Cut it.
The potatoes grew.
Oh, another one I cut. How?
Well, there is. Well, you did plant a lot of potatoes. That's why.
Let's see another one. Yeah. How big it is.
Ooh, it's a big one. Wow, that potato leads to another big potato.
Yeah, look.
That potato is. Good morning, little potatoes.
Good
It's
morning.
time to grow up.
Yeah. Yeah, you
It's
did
like-
good job.
Yeah, it's your time.
Happy harvesting.
Yeah, they're morning.
You see, potato is under the
It's finally
Down.
the morning. It's finally the morning, guys. For the potatoes, not for us, right? Right, Mommy, Daddy?
Right.
Because they were sleeping.
Are you excited?
Because they were sleeping for a long time. And I'm going to Sangushi Park. That's why I'm wearing my swimming suit.
And what do you think? How many kilo we will get today?
I think we'll get a lot.
How many kilo?
I think like a lot. 200.
200 kilo?
We will get a lot of potatoes, judging how many seeds
Thank
we
you, Papa.
planted. Judging how many planted potatoes. Here! Here, stick here. Yeah, boo. Up.
Hold on. Look.
It's heavy.
So
Oh my
many.
god! See, it's big. So that's why it gives so many potatoes.
Yeah.
Good. Now, good morning, little potatoes. Come out.
Yeah. Look.
Wow. See, the potatoes got a long time to grow. That's why. Do you know why we are gonna have so many big potatoes?
Papa, don't put like this.
Oh my God! Look, I got. Oh look, a potato.
Wow. This is a different type of potato. Yeah. Let me pull one by one
Oh
by.
my God! I see a potato. No. Hey, look, there's one potato here.
Yeah, Baba.
Yellow piggyback.
Look, Rita.
There's a kind of. It's strange that nobody's taking these.
Why you are not helping me?
I am going to.
Once again, when I'm pulling, you can pick the potato.
Pull this one. This one.
No, Baba.
But the next one.
Okay, go there. Is there any?
There's barely. Oh my God!
Oh, that is the we planted. Oh, you see?
Wait! Look at this potato. Wasn't it
Wow.
hiding? Hey, there's another potato. Why is there hiding? Hey, look! There's another one. Why are they hiding? They're like they silly potatoes. What? Isn't that a good name?
Fine. Any potato is there or no? Potato happened? No potato there?
Wait, what is that little
We'll
piece?
find.
Where are those potatoes? Are you behind here? Yes! Look! A big potato! Another big potato! See?
Bring the bucket.
Look it! We are getting so many potatoes. These potatoes are good at hiding. Come on, we helping
Yeah, you are very helpful.
because you won't it'll take much longer.
So আমরা অলমোস্ট অর্ধেক বেডের পটেটো
This
তোলা
which
শেষ।
one
No,
has
look, giant
this
one.
one has
Yeah,
so many.
giant one.
There's so many potatoes.
Yes.
Which one is the biggest? You can say this one. This one is actually
Yeah.
the biggest.
You
You
have
know
bye.
why? Because there's a lot of because it
Okay,
looks
grab
like
that. Daddy already picked it. Here.
Yeah.
Oh, এটা বড়।
these are a lot of potatoes.
Yes.
I think we should share these. Right?
We will.
We'll take to the farmer's market tomorrow. And we'll sell it, we'll get money and you can buy some toy.
Yeah.
Really? Are you excited to see so much potato, Ira? Look at me.
Yeah. I'm going to.
What you are gonna eat with these potatoes?
Potato fries. But potato,
Fries from your own potato.
Yeah, you can actually eat fries at home. It's easy. Just
Yeah.
put salt on it. I know how. I heard the story. It's that you just have to cut the potatoes, put it until it's crispy,
Yeah.
and then
take potato.
put salt on it. You have to put salt on it too before you do that. But don't need to put. I
Yeah,
think you
but-
should put it in a pan.
Can you clean this? Check it. You see?
More potatoes are there.
Wow. You should. We should do this again and again.
Yeah. And we need to share everything to our friends.
And also other people. We should put
Look, here is another potato.
now. I think we should do this every day. We like next summer we're definitely gonna plant more potatoes, right?
Yeah.
Inshallah.
We are going to buy a farm.
No, yeah. I don't know.
Look, giant one.
Ooh, show it.
Yeah.
How big it is? Show me.
So big.
Look. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
See, oh, that corner grows good potatoes.
We're gonna-
Look at her.
Yeah, I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Why is it the corner? The corner is the best.
So,
We
because
should remember.
because this place is it was wet.
I think so when next bed person water them, so some water splash come.
So yeah, it gets extra water that it gives it energy. Right?
Right.
No, Baba.
To grow encourage.
Let's see.
This is our last row.
Let's see. Yeah.
Yay!
Ooh. Look. So many potato. Yeah, pick. It looks like your what is called? Baby and
Yeah, potato.
yeah. Look
Snowman.
at it. Wow, another snowman.
Mommy.
Another snowman. This one is love heart shape.
Oh!
Look, heart shape.
Yeah, that's my potato.
Yeah, heart shape. Another snowman.
Oh yeah, it's a family here, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy.
I'm very happy. Let's see if we get something more.
Hey, you know this plant is actually it's love. You know it loves us.
Yeah, one more.
This potato plant loves us, I guess, right?
Yeah. Take this, drop it there.
I will. Oh my, it loves us a lot.
See, it's give surprise because lots of water was here. And more. One more. Yeah, look.
Yeah, it's a very nice good. I think it loves us.
Yeah, look at another potato under your feet. Oh, here is lots of another snowman. Wow, yeah.
Oh
Wow.
my god, it was
It's good. Grow very well here. Look.
So if we water the plant, it will grow bigger, right?
I guess if you water it 2 times, I think.
Look at her.
Yeah.
We
next
don't
time-
water at all.
Yeah, the neighbors, like, these are other neighbors.
Look, it has something here. Something here.
Ooh, what is it? It's a caterpillar.
Yeah.
It's alive or dead.
Let's see. Here.
It's moving. Yeah.
Ah! Don't be hurt. Don't hurt it. Make sure not to hurt it.
I'm not hurting. He's getting his home. Look.
Aw, caterpillar. I'm sorry that we have to destroy your homie.
One more. Let's see. I want to see some giant potato. Ah. Pum 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 pum.
These potatoes love to grow, I guess.
That's really good.
The caterpillar. Is that a caterpillar? Oh, don't worry, you won't. Can I make it home? Let's make it to home.
will make
Oh,
one.
one bigger potato is coming.
Oh, we
Wow. It has giant.
the big boom for the
Wow.
science.
Ah. Look. Yeah.
Wow.
Pum pum. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
It's really
Wow.
great. অনেক আলু। Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Are you happy, Irha?
Now we're gonna have a lot of potato food.
Potato food.
We're gonna eat a lot
Potato
of
fries, potato wedges, mashed potatoes,
Yeah, we should do this.
potato curry.
Hey, we should make him. Daddy, I got an idea. Which one is bigger? You can tell this one is definitely bigger. It'll take an ages to put this in. I think this time we're gonna put the red potatoes in that bucket and the white potatoes here, since it's a much bigger one.
What do you think? How many kilo here?
I think it's 20 color or 30 color.
30 kilo?
Or 20.
I think, yeah, more than 20. I think it's
30?
25 kilo.
25.
Are you happy?
Yeah. I think we should take it in this one. Since this is bigger than the blue one. And then look at these potatoes. If you like our videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give a like to our video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.